In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track subscriptions in Google Analytics 4. If you run a subscription business, the single most important foundation in GA4 is getting user stitching right. Subscriptions span months or years, and your customers move fluidly between devices, signing up on a laptop, renewing in a mobile app, and occasionally browsing on a tablet. To make sense of that journey, GA4 needs a reliable way to recognize the same person across all those touch points. That's exactly what User ID does. When a signed-in user is assigned a consistent, non-personally identifiable ID by your product, GA4 can connect their activity from web and app into one continuous profile. The result is cleaner funnels, truer retention, and far more accurate lifetime value reporting. Let's set GA4 to prioritize that stitching. Open your GA4 property, head to the admin area, and find the section called Data Collection. Inside, click Reporting Identity. This is where you tell GA4 which signals to use when deciding who is who in your reports. Choose the blended option. Blended puts user ID first, which means whenever a signed-in user ID is available, GA4 will use it to stitch sessions across devices. If a user ID isn't present, say the person is browsing while logged out, GA4 can use privacy-safe modeled data to fill in some gaps. This combination gives you the most faithful picture of subscriber behavior and drives the most accurate lifetime value metrics. It minimizes double counting, reduces orphaned sessions on secondary devices, and keeps your cohort and retention analyses aligned with how customers actually subscribe, renew, and engage. A quick note on expectations. Selecting blended doesn't create a user ID for you, it simply tells GA4 to prefer it when it exists. Your website and app should already assign the same stable non-PII identifier to users once they sign in. When that's in place, this setting helps GA4 consistently connect a sign-up on one device with a login or renewal on another. Also remember that reporting identity choices affect how users are counted in analysis and standard reports. Blended is generally the best choice for subscription businesses because it balances accuracy with coverage. Other options rely more heavily on device-level signals and won't capture cross-device journeys as effectively. Once you've selected blended, GA4 applies it to your property's reporting. From here, as long as your implementation passes a consistent user ID, you'll unlock clearer subscription funnels, more reliable retention views, and LTV numbers you can actually trust.